Shadi is here. How are you today? Oh, great. I'm so happy you are wonderful. First of all, I want to say Happy Children's Day and wishing a very enjoyable day for children all over the world. For this reason, I'm going to cook walnut cinnamon cookies. So let's get started. Are you ready? Yay! Okay, so let's check the ingredients. We need 4 glasses of flour, 1 teacup of harmed walnut, half a teacup of oil, half a teacup molasses, 1 egg white, then half a teacup of powdered sugar, 1 packet of vanilla, 1 packet of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, and also 250 grams of butter. Now we are going to mix all of these ingredients in my bowl, and then we're going to mix it and stir it. Okay, I'm going to keep this surprise for Barin. Barin, where are you? Oh, you are here! Happy Children's Day!
Hi, Auntie.
Give me a hug. Oh, it's so sweet. Barin, today you are going to cook walnut cinnamon cookie. Okay, you are the chef, and I'm going to leave this stuff for you. Are you ready?
Yes.
Good job. Give me a high five. Okay, then see you soon.
See you soon.
I'm waiting for your tasty cookies.
I'm going to mix all of them.
Your heart is receiver of divine love that's coming constantly from above. Your heart is yearning for rapture. It needs kindness to prosper. Tuki, open.
Okay, my friends, it's ready.
Good job. You did a good job. Okay, for the above, I'm going to mix these two. Okay, just like this. And then we are going to put over all the cookies. Come here and give me a hand. Like this. Well done. It looks very yummy. Wait. Okay, you did a good job. It's ready and you can enjoy it. I hope you enjoyed, sweet girls and boys, and see you next time.